Hello everyone, Shantae here. I hope you guys are having a great day. So I wanted to come in and share with you guys. Globeland reached out to me and asked me would I review some of their products, and I said I would. So I wanted to go ahead on and put this first video up because it is actually late. I finally was released to get the vaccination, so that had me down for like 2 weeks. Just the first shot, so Lord help for the second one. But anyway, I'm gonna have all of the links in the description box below. If there's a discount code, it also will be in the description box below, so you guys can check it out and shop. I don't make nothing off of the code. It's just for you guys. Okay, so I picked up this. I asked for this package of stamps. Y'all know I love bees and stuff like that, so these are 4x6. So here it comes. All these came in one package. This one right here, I love that. Isn't that cute? Like a steampunky-ish. This one, I'm trying not to show my hands. I forgot to lotion up before I hit the camera button. This one right here. This is that one. This. Right here. This one, that's so cute. And I'm going to see if I can, I may try my scan and cut, but then again, you know, my patience be thin. So these are all the stamps that came in this pack, and it's 2, 4, 9 stamps. 9 stamps, and these are silicone. They're all silicone stamps. And then I picked these 2 dies to work with, and these are like little small cover plates. So that's like a rose set. I do it like that too, so you can see the back. This is this one. I think they layer. I have the link in the box, in the description box. That one, and then that one. That's like a lily one. I think they layer on top. I think. I may be wrong. So that's that set. I hope you guys are doing good. Like I said, my video's been non-existent due to that and work. So, and then I got this bigger plate of dies. So here is one right here. Is this like a 6? This is a 4x6. Okay, so that's that one. And I think they layer. So these will be fun. So I will cut them all out and make sure they're Gucci. Yep. So just be ready for the next video. Hopefully it'll be something with this. All right. So I will be back with another video. Thanks so much for watching. Everything is in the description box below. All right, y'all. When I did the first clip, I forgot to show y'all how they cut out. So I went back and cut these out so you can see how they look cut out. They cut with no problem. Oh, there go the rain. And then these, because these all have layering piece. They have the frame and the they have like butterflies and ladybugs and all this stuff to it. I didn't want to take those out, but you can see that is so cute. This one has butterflies. There go the little bees down there. This one got ladybugs. And then ladybugs are in the actual die. But yeah, I just want to come back and add that on because I normally always show y'all how I cut out in the same video. But I'll be back with some projects.